don't break bank because you want to start up a YouTube channel. Hello, and stop saying that. At a time you get exhausted, like you don't know what else to do again. So from people you love their content, people you love their videos, don't copy. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. How have you guys been doing? Like literally, how have you been doing? How has the year 2024 been treating you? Hope it has been going well. For me, it has really been going well. It has been like just this first month is just like I can see that the year 2024 is going to be really amazing, and I really pray that it's just the way I perceive it. Yeah, before I go in telling you guys what today's video is going to be about, let me first of all welcome our newbies. If you're new here, welcome to this channel. My name is Onyinye Obiora, and please do not make it your last time being here, okay, by subscribing to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by again this new year. You still came back for me this new year. Thank you guys so much. I love you all, and I pray that this year bring blessings and favor and celebrations to every one of us. Okay, so on today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the lessons I've learned being here on YouTube for 2 years now. Well, this month made it 2 years of being here. 2 years anniversary. We're supposed to celebrate that, you know. So basically, yeah, I want to share lessons I've learned being here. And if you're aspiring to be a YouTuber or you're just new here, I advise you stay through to the end of this video, because some of the things I might be saying will be helpful for you. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive into the video. Before we dive into this video, let me put this disclaimer. I am not an expert, okay? This is basically me sharing the lessons I've learned being here, okay? So it's not like I'm an expert. I'm not trying to tell you like the most thing you would do to excel here. Or the very first thing I would say, and I think you might have heard of this quite a number of times, is be authentic. Like, be yourself. Don't do copy and paste, okay? You can get inspiration from people and kind of recreate it, okay, but don't do copy and paste. Don't copy from people you love their content, people you love their videos. Don't copy what they do and paste it in your own channel, okay? You must make it different. You must find a way to make it look different from the other person's own. Yeah, recreate it. That is the word. So try not to be other person's. Being yourself, you're never going to exhaust being yourself, okay? But if you copy people, like at a time you get exhausted, like you don't know what else to do again. But when you're yourself, when you're being yourself, being authentic, you cannot run out of idea. You cannot run out of ideas. Yes, you can run out of ideas. So be yourself. You know, many people, and this was actually me before I started YouTube, because I used to think that there are a lot of people on YouTube. So YouTube is big enough to take every one of us. YouTube is big enough to take every one of us, okay? And stop saying that. Come into this space, come into this platform, create your content, be authentic. Just apply the first tip I mentioned here, being yourself, and you're going to find out that there are people who are going to love what you do. So be yourself. Come on here. It is big enough to take you. Come in here and be yourself, right? Start with what you have. You're waiting until you have like equipment that average content creator have before you start a YouTube channel. Do I say average? I think average is not really the word. You really want to have that exclusive tools before you start your YouTube channel. It doesn't work like that. Start with the little you have. You know, there are so many people I've seen here on YouTube that when you compare my video, even though my video is not really that good, but when you compare my editing, my lighting, my audio quality and all of that, it's way better than them. But look at their views, look at how many views they get, look at their subscriber, the amount of subscriber, it's really mind-blowing. Okay, it's not really about how much equipment you have, is actually about it, but not completely about it. Okay, start with the little you have. I started with just my, of course, even now I'm still using my phone as a camera. I don't have a camera. I recently got a microphone, you guys know that, and then my ring light, I got this last year. Don't break bank because you want to start up a YouTube channel. Hello. Don't do that, except you start seeing a huge growth, and then you start being paid. You can use your payment from here, or the money you make from here, and then purchase the gadgets that you need to make your channel, to make your videos, rather, to make your videos look better. Okay, let's use that, to look better. Okay, but start with the little you have. That is what I'm going to say. Start with the little you have, and then to the next thing as well you want to do. Consistency is the key. I know you've had this several times, and of course I'm going to say it. Consistency is the key. Be consistent. Have days when you upload video. Figure out the days that is okay by you, the day that is convenient for you to upload videos, and stick to those days. If you want 2 times a week, if you want once a week, if you want once in 2 weeks, however it is, if it's on Monday or Tuesday, Wednesday, any of the days of the week that suits you better, just put it that day that this is the days I'm going to be uploading videos, and stick to that. Okay, and consistency, of course, is the key. Be consistent here. Okay, be consistent, and that is the only way you can grow in this platform. Not just in this platform, consistency is like a major way of success in life, no matter what it is. Whether you're here, you're doing something outside of YouTube that you want to succeed in, you have to be consistent. That's just the key to success. Yeah, this is something that I found most people, like, I don't know, I feel that most people are not like most people that upcoming YouTubers, we actually want to do something that we feel that is making other people grow. And I think this link up to the first thing, being authentic, but let me state it. Make videos that you enjoy watching. Listen, if you make videos that you don't enjoy watching yourself, I don't know, you're not going to stay long here. I think that's it. You're just not going to stay long. Like, everything, you won't feel motivated making video. That is just it. Make videos that you enjoy watching. Like, when you watch it and like you're like, okay, I think I need to do this again because I enjoy what I did here. Let me try it again. It just motivates you to do it more and more and more and more. Okay, make videos that you enjoy watching. This way you can stay long here. Is a sustainable tool. Making videos that you enjoy watching. Yes. So the very last thing I have to say here is be creative. Okay, I think this kind of brings everything together. If you're making videos, yes, you're not the only person doing the thing you're doing in your channel or the thing you're about to start doing here. Yes, you're not the only person. There are several other persons doing it around the world. Okay, but the only thing that makes you different is being yourself and also being creative. You have to add some creativity to your videos, to your content. Okay, maybe the way you present it, maybe your editing style, maybe just basically be creative in creating your videos. Yeah, that is also one thing that is going to make you stand out. Being yourself and being creative with your content. Yes, being creative. I know most people do say they're not creative. That is not true. Okay, creativity is a skill and you need to learn it. I think you should put that in your list of things to learn this year. Learn creativity. It is a skill. Learn it. There are so many videos here on YouTube that can help you, that you can watch over and over again. After watching this whole thing, you might just on your own, you start thinking of how you can, or things that you can do to make your video stand out. Creativity is a skill. Learn it. Yeah, thank you so much for staying tuned to this very end. This this felt like an interview, like I just sit down and interview you guys. Don't mind me. This is just a year of this is our year, and I really want every one of us here to, at the end of this year, we should be looking back and really be excited that the things we done this year and the achievements we made this year. So I hope after watching this video you start your YouTube channel and stop putting it off. Okay. Yeah, thank you so much for staying tuned to this very end. If you enjoy watching this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free. Okay, you're not paying for that. You're not taking out anything from you for subscribing. Okay, it's absolutely free. Hit the subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell to always get notified each time I upload videos. Guys, this year is going to be content after content by the grace of God. Okay. Yeah, thank you guys so much. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.